Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna review and unbox the Chortau Dash Cam. According to description, it has a dual lens recording and it's a powerful, compact and reliable dash cam. It can provide a rear view and a parking guideline if set up correctly. It has loop recording and a built-in G sensor that locks files when detecting collision. It's also easy to install and you can do it at home without any special tools. You can find the installation process in another video on my YouTube channel. I have received this box this morning, so let's see what's inside. So the box looks nice. It has a G sensor, the camera, the viewer, the voice recording and the fire recycle. As soon as you open the box, you can see the camera is well packed and nicely protected. As you can tell, this is the main camera and its display. Here you can see the lens of the front camera. Here you can see the rear camera port, the mount connector and the mini USB power port. On the left hand side you have the micro SD card slot, the up button, the menu button and the down button. On the right hand side we have the OK button, the mode button, the lock button and the power button. Here you can see the rear camera. Here we have a large mount connector for the front camera. We also have a USB Type A to mini USB wire. This is the mini USB power port lead for the front camera. As you can see, there's also a second mount connector for the front camera, which is smaller. Here we have a double-sided sticker for the rear camera and two screws, meaning you've got two options. You can either use the sticker to stick the rear camera on the window, or you can use the screws to screw it on top of something. This is the rear camera and its lead, which should be long enough to take it from the back of your car up to the front camera. The red wire doesn't have to be connected anywhere in order for the reversing camera to work. However, you can connect the red cable to the positive pole of reversing lamp. You can also find a surprise in a box, but I'll let you deal with that. And finally, you have the product manual. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.